once again, this is Anna. Okay, so today I wanted to talk about Madame Tussauds, the Wax Museum. That's the museum where the celebrities are wax figures, and you can go in and take nice, fun pictures with the actual characters. It is so amazing how they look so real. And when you see like Beyonce, Michael Jackson, and all that, they actually look real, like the real people. Okay, so Madame Tussauds Wax Museum was founded by Marie Toussaint, a native of France, and she learned the art of sculpting from her mother's employer. Now, as of today, there are 26 locations worldwide. Some of the locations are New York, Washington, D.C., Nashville, San Francisco, Amsterdam, Berlin, Prague, Budapest, London, Bangkok, Singapore, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Dubai, Sydney, and many, many more. The location I will talk to you about will be the location we visited in the amazing country of Singapore. We have been to Singapore and the one in Bangkok. Every time we go to a country, a new country, we always try to do something different or something amazing, pretty much. So we decided to try Madame Tussauds, and that was amazing. So come on, let's have a little fun. Okay, we will start with the entrance. Right before we get ready to go into the building, there is a statue of a tiger on the outside, and you can take pictures with that. So this is a picture of that. Also, you would go a little bit further, right in front of the door, you would see Lady Gaga. So of course, I decided to take a picture with Lady Gaga. So we both telling everybody, hey, how y'all doing? Come on in. Uh-huh. And then you see this white building, and then that's where you enter. As we enter into the building, then they have shows. You have some shows that you can go and see and things like that. But as you go into the actual museum, you will see Muhammad Ali, and he looks just like Muhammad Ali. So my daughter took a picture with him first, and she already ready to fight. And then I'm right there saying, "Hold me back, Ali, hold me back." So I wouldn't get into trouble. All right. After that, you continue to go around, and of course, I had to take a picture with Arnold Schwarzenegger, and I had to fill up on him right quick, take a couple of pictures. And then we went into the Beyonce area. Oh boy, everybody loved them some Beyonce. So of course I had to get in front and show Beyonce I know how to do it too. And then she thought I was gone, so there go a picture of me behind her, showing her I'm not gone, girl. I am still here. Okay. And so my daughter, she decided to take a little pose with her as well. Next, this is well, my daughter told me this is the actress from Breakfast with Tiffany. Well, girl, looked like it was Breakfast with Anna, huh? All right. So I sat at the table with her. My daughter sat at the table with her. Okay, I just want you to know that she's not real, and the food on the table is not real. Okay, it's just a wax figure. Then we went into the Bruce Lee situation. All right, girl, did you see me? I put my hand up. I was trying to catch him so it wouldn't fall. He was doing his jump up off the boxes and things. You know what I'm saying? And then we go on around a little bit further, and it's Cristiano Ronaldo. I think he's a soccer player, but I don't know where from. But anyway, he was handsome, so my daughter decided to take a picture with him, and they posed in just the same way. And girl, oh my God, I love me some David Beckham. Of course, I had to help him with those sit-ups. So I had to rub on those abs and give you the look. Okay. All right. And then I just rubbed up on all the people, didn't I? All the wax figures, didn't I? Because then when Elvis came around, I gave him big old hugs and smiles then too, didn't I? I know, right? I'm something else with myself. And we enter this room, and that is where you can find Michael Jackson and Katy Perry. So with Michael Jackson, I had to do a couple of poses to show him I know how to do that Billie Jean as well, right? Okay. And so I did poses with that one, and then also with Katy Perry. My daughter did uh, the one at the microphone with Katy Perry, and then I did a microphone one with Katy Perry as well. As we was going through there, we also ran into Madonna. So of course, I had to pose with everybody. I don't know what's wrong with me, but when I get in those wax museum, I pose with all of them look like. So I was posing with Madonna. My daughter, she like, nah, that's okay, you know. So I do all the posing, of course. And then we ran into Marilyn Monroe, and she was looked like she was doing the your fingerprint in the cement kind of thing. So my daughter did one with her, and then I did one with her as well. And as you go on through, you will find James Bond and Leonardo, what is that? Leonardo DiCaprio. He was nice looking right there, I tell you, and stuff. So we did pictures with them. And then in the middle of the whole thing, I guess to break up all of the monotony of just looking at the wax museum, they put this other museum on the inside, and it's like I guess like clay and things like that. But they had this lady in there that had cut this head off of a person, and she puts it in this glass box, and I was just like, oh my goodness. But it was something to see. It was very interesting to read about the whole thing and stuff. So we did that part of it. And then we went on around. The place was huge. So you had plenty to see, of course. But as we go on around, we run into Nicole Kidman, and oh my God, we run into Obama, President Obama. Oh my goodness, my daughter jumped in that one. I jumped in. Of course, I have to go side by side with him. I can't never do like I supposed to do. I went side by side. One, I had my hands around. I tell you the truth. Miss Honor, something else. Okay? So then, when we finished that, we did what is it? One Direction. I didn't know who those boys were. I didn't know if they was in sync. The direction next to us, I didn't know who they was until my daughter told me, and she said that's One Direction. I said, oh, okay, I jump in this one too. You know what I mean? I have to jump in all of them. So of course she jumped in one with them, and then I jumped in one with them. I have to jump in with all of them. I told you. Then they had one with Oprah Winfrey, and she looks slimmer on this picture, but she looks really good. So my daughter took one with her, and I took one with her. And then let's see another picture we did is Queen Elizabeth from London, from the UK. We took a picture in her seat, and you see me, I had to be sprawled all over the seat, just let her know who was boss, didn't I? Okay. And then my daughter acted like she was scared to sit back. I was like, girl, sit back. She was scared to sit back. But boy, I tell you, once we ran into Taylor Swift, oh, that's when my daughter wanted to really show out and get it, because she loved her some Taylor. Okay. So she got on in there with Taylor. And of course, know me. I had to get in there with Taylor too. And as we go on around to see the rest of it, we go into Yao Ming, the basketball player. The tall basketball. I think he was like 7'2", 7 feet or something like that. But we took a picture with Yao Ming, and that statue was huge. I mean, it was really, really tall. But you can take you can get in front of him and kind of measure yourself a little bit. Okay. Then at the end of the whole thing, I run into the one with Tiger Woods. So, of course, I had to get behind him and be like, okay, Tiger, you need to swing your hips this way. Okay, and then the next picture was like, okay, let me work your arms. Oh no, that ain't the right way to do it. Fix the arms this way, tiger. Okay, and then the third picture, I was picking up my trophy and looked like he wanted to pop me in my head. Did you see that? That is so weird how that picture came out, right? And then this last picture is a picture of me and my daughter, happy as a lark, and we had the most fun for the day, I swear. That was the most fun ever, ever. If you ever get a chance to visit Madame Tussauds, I really think that it would be a great experience for you and your family, or maybe a friend outing, or maybe even a couple's date. It is so fun. Once you get in there, it's like, all the celebrities, and you can pose with them, and you can do, many memorable pictures and stuff like that. I really think you should try it. Okay, so if you like all my videos that I've been doing and you want to keep up with us, please subscribe, comment, like, and ring that notification bell. Until next time, this is Anna.